shall we proceed with the C, question C? Shall we proceed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you all take down. A limited issues rupees 50,000 8% debentures 8% debentures at a discount of 5%, at a discount of 5%, full stop. The tax rate is 50%. The tax rate is 50%. Full stop. Compute the before tax and after tax cost of debt. Before tax and after tax cost of debt. Yeah, let's go discuss the question now. A Limited issues 50,000 rupees worth of debenture and the debenture interest rate is 8% per annum. When the debenture is issued, it is issued at a discount. It is not issued at par, rather it is issued at a discount of 5%. So 5% of 50,000 is 2,500. So from 50,000, you have to deduct 2,500. So you will get 47,500. 47,500 is the issue price of the debenture. The sales value, SV, the sales value will be 47,500 here in this case, question C. So we have the solution here. Let's go to the solution. So this is the solution. Yeah. This is the solution here. KD. Here they have calculated after tax. So initially you calculate with the before tax, then you go to after tax. Then you go to after tax. As I said earlier, cost of debt before tax, I divided by sales value or net proceeds. Sales value or net proceeds. I is nothing but rate of interest. Rate of interest is 8% only. 8% on the face value. Please remember, I is always calculated on the face value. It is not calculated on the issue price. Please understand that. Don't get confused. I, the interest, is always calculated on the face value. Face value is 50,000 here. So 50,000, 8%, it comes to 4,000. Yeah, 4,000 divided by, as I said earlier, issue price. Issue price is at a discount of, what is the discount said here? 5% discount, right? 5% on the face value. Face value is 50,000. 50,000, 5% of that is 2,500. So 50,000 minus 2,500, 47,500 is the sales value or net proceeds here. 4,000 divided by 47,500 into 100 into 100. So 8.42, I think 8.42 is the answer. Cost of debt before tax. Cost of debt before tax, what is the answer?
8.42.
Correct, no? 8.42.
Yes, sir.
Because 50% is the tax, right here. So cost of debt after tax is 4.21. This is 50% of the cost of debt before tax. So if you make add a 50%, if you add exactly 4.21 to this, if you double this value, you will get a cost of debt before tax. It is because 50% is tax. 50% is a, if you add that 50%, you will get the cost of debt before tax. 8.42. Did you all get the answer? You all got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, anyhow, the cost of debt after tax value is given here. Cost of debt after tax is written like this. I already told you 1 minus T. Cost of debt after tax 1 minus T, which is equal to the answer is 4.21. 4.21 is the answer. 4.21 is the answer. So let me take the attendance now. Just only 33 are there today. Yes, you all have taken down the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now go to the question. Next question. One minute. Yeah, question D. B limited issues. B limited issues. B limited issues. Rupees 1 lakh 9% debentures. Rupees 1 lakh 9% debentures at a premium of 10%. At a premium of 10%. Full stop. The cost of flotation. The cost of flotation are 2%. The cost of flotation are 2%. Full stop. The tax rate applicable. The tax rate applicable is 60%. Is 60%. Full stop. Compute cost of debt capital. Compute cost of debt capital. with regard to this particular question, this is slightly different from the previous question that we have discussed. The reason is very simple here. There is one more concept which is incorporated here, flotation cost. Flotation cost is included here. Rest of the things are similar to the previous questions that we have solved. Let's understand the question. B Limited issues 1,09,000 debentures at a premium of 10%. The cost of flotation are 2%. The tax rate applicable is 60%. Compute the cost of debt capital. The issue, the face value of the whole sum of debenture is 1 lakh rupees, and 9% is the rate of coupon rate of interest per annum. And when the share is when the debenture is issued, it is issued at a 10% premium. So 10% on 1 lakh comes to 10,000. So the issue price of the debenture is 1 lakh plus 10%. That is 1 lakh 10,000. 1 lakh 10,000 becomes the issue price. There is one more element here, the cost of flotation. Flotation cost is basically the disbursement cost of debenture, the cost associated with the disbursement, and it will have an impact on the total sales value. Means this 2% the company has to pay. Therefore, even though the company collects 1,10,000 from the debenture holder, 2% reduction from the 1,10% issue price. After deducting 2% only, company is going to get. So actual receivables of the company will be 1,10,000 minus 2% of 1,10,000. That is how the calculation goes. Let's understand this in the solution in the next slide. Yeah, you can see here, as I said, here everything is same compared to the comparing previous solution with this solution. I, however, you know, it is what is the percentage of interest? 9%, right? Coupon rate of interest, 9% of 1 lakh, it comes to 9,000. It is same. Now coming to this calculation, denominator, that we need to find out now. 1 lakh is the face value, 10% premium. 10% premium we have added. So 1 lakh plus 10,000, it will be 1,10,000. 1,10,000 is the issue price. You have one deduction here. That deduction is the flotation cost. That is a charge against the total receivables of the company, total debenture, total fund receivables from the debenture. It's a charge. Therefore, 1,10,000 minus 2% of 1,10,000, not 2% of 1 lakh, or not 2% of it's not 2% of 1 lakh, rather it is 2% of 1,10,000 issue price, including premium. 1,10,000 into 2%, it comes to 2,200. So 1,10,000 minus 2,200, 1,07,800 will be the sales value. So when this debenture is issued, actually company collects 1,07,800 and not 1,10,000. Company receives only 1,07,800. Net receivables of the company is 1,07,800. Now you can calculate the before tax cost of debt here. When you calculate the before tax cost of debt, it comes to 9,000 divided by 1,07,800. And once you get the answer, then you calculate cost of debt after tax. Cost of debt after tax is 1 minus 0.6. 1 minus 0.6. This is how you calculate. So let me have the answer, please. Please compute the cost of debt before tax. Cost of debt before tax. Cost of debt before tax is equal to
8.35%.
good, 8.35%. Now cost of debt after tax, 1 minus T, right? Cost of debt after tax, 1 KD into 1 minus T. which is equal to
3.34%.
3.34%. It is already given here, right? So hope this is very clearly understood, everyone. So all of you please take down. I think you all have finished. Let's go to all the 4 questions here with the set of out of the set of 4 we have already solved. Now next question. So this question appeared in the semester examination in one of the last 5 years. So you can take down this question. Compute cost of debt. Compute cost of debt. Begin with bracket. Before tax and after tax. Bracket close. From the following information. Relating to a 10% rupees 1 lakh face value debenture. 10% rupees 1 lakh face value debenture. Full stop. Number 1, issued at par. Number 2, issued at a discount of 10%. Number 3, issued at a premium of 10%. Issued at a premium of 10%. Full stop. Next line. The corporate tax rate. The corporate tax rate is 35%. Is 35%. So this is a question, and you may not find it difficult to solve this triumph problem because we have solved this type of problem earlier. It is very similar to the previous problems that we have solved. I want you all coming out with the solution to this question. So this is the solution. Number 1, debt issued at par before tax and after tax. Debt issued at discount. Debt issued at premium. So you all come with a solution to this. If you are unable to find the solution, I'll solve this in the next class. Okay, I'm going to end the class for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.